I love this time of year because we have things fresh from the garden. So I'm gonna pick 3 things from the garden, make something that you're gonna love because I love it. Ingredients, it's always about the ingredients from my garden. I got tomatoes, fresh basil, parsley. I got clove of garlic from last year's garden, from the farmer's market, some green onions, some nice virgin olive oil, and a nice white wine vinaigrette. Let's get going. And salt to taste. Oh, yeah, baby. Garden fresh. I call this the Francassa. Who cares what you call it? It's fresho. But I'll tell you what I use this on is little on top of cristinis. Oh, beautiful. You can use it and just dip in some nacho chips. You can take your fresh salmon that you've cooked and put it on top of the salmon. You can use it on top of eggs. It's so good. But what I want to know is what would you use it on? Or what would you do differently? What would you add to this from your garden? Put it in the comments, and always remember, at the end of it, growing it, cooking it, eating it, enjoying it is always best from the garden.